So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishnathan Mandela. I am here at the Electric Vehicle Expo happening in Greater Noida. It's India's largest electric vehicle expo, and today's date is December 25th, 2021. And I am here at the retrofitting stall named as Hawk EV. He is the founder.
Yeah, hi, this is Nitish here. Yeah.
And may I know why you have particularly chosen the Suzuki Swift Desire? Is it because of the best-selling car right now?
Yeah, I mean, it's a best-selling car, and the more people own Swift Desire, I mean, the sedan and the hatchback. I mean, like, the concept is to reach the middle class and the upper middle class first. Okay. I mean, the retrofitting, the concept is they own the car, and we are thinking to retrofit the existing. I mean, either it's maybe petrol or diesel. We are thinking to retrofit and making it fully EV.
Okay.
That's the motto. Yeah.
So currently, if you look at the petrol version of the Swift Desire, it's costing around 8 lakh rupees for the on-road pricing. But how much does a customer need to spend for retrofitting kit?
So for us, the base price we kept is 4 lakhs. I mean, which comes with an 100-kilometer range. So it comes with a battery as well, and like we have our own computer which is built. I mean, for this retrofit, we also giving in some premium features which has in Mercedes-Benz. And
What are the premium features?
I mean, kind of adaptive braking, and also we are giving this lane control. I mean, there are like so many features. I mean, geofencing, geolocations, everything is there. So which we have integrated in this car.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mentioned 100 kilometers of range.
Yeah.
So what is the battery capacity of this?
So for this, like, we have used a 10 kilowatt hour battery pack as of now, but the range can be increased based on the customer requirement. I mean, if they are increasing the range, the price will be slightly increased. That's the costlier part in the EV is the battery as of now.
Okay.
Yeah. So the range.
So what is the motor capacity you have used on this?
So for this, like, we use a 35 kilowatt motor, and all the software and everything like is built in-house. Okay. And even the battery pack also, like, we made it. Like, we have our own BMS, and also this software, everything is like we made it by
10
ourselves.
kilowatt hour.
Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, for retrofitting process, what does a customer need to do? Like, they just bring their old car and you will do whatever the process.
Yeah. So the thing is, as of now, like, we have just completed the trial phase, and the testing is done, and now we are into the certification of the testing agency. Yeah. So once the certification is done, now the government itself promoting. You are seeing the articles and all, like, where the government is telling it for 10 in Delhi. Okay.
Yeah.
After 10 years, like, you can convert the car into retrofit. Now, like, we are just thinking in Delhi itself. Like, I mean,
the government is also
itself is promoting. Yeah. Like, soon, like, we'll be meeting them. The reason of the Delhi, like, we are here, Expo, and also meeting the.
May I know the top speed you are providing on?
Top speed, like, we reach 150 kilometers, which is already driven and tested on our car.
So the 100 kilometers of range you are claiming on this 10 kilowatt of battery pack, what could be the the actual speed they need to maintain to reach that 100 kilometers of range?
See, it will be like, I mean, it slightly depends. I mean, it may be like for 100 kilo and 10 kilowatt hour battery, like, you will reach 80 kilometers for sure. I mean, like, everything, like, will be, we can see in the software. I mean, like, the percentage of the battery and everything, the range, the drive pattern.
Can we consider close to 30 to 40 kilometers per hour to reach the 100 kilometer range?
30 to 40 kilometers in what sense?
Top speed for to attain the 100 kilometers of range, what could be
that will be like, as of now, that is not been tested, but I'm very sure that within 10 seconds it will reach 100 kilometers.
No, I'm not asking about the acceleration part. The range you have claimed 100 kilometers. On what speed does a customer can get that range?
I mean, like, we have driven around 100 kilometer.
So with 80 kph also they can get the 100
that's
100
what
kilometers.
Yes.
Okay. And one more thing, this is actually a geared car in the petrol version.
Yeah.
For electric, are you making it as complete automatic?
Yeah. So the concept for our company is, you can see, it's a reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay. The existing car, like, we are just removing the engine, and the gearbox, it's a manual gearbox. Okay. Like, we have worked, on the gearbox itself, and the gearbox is automatic now. We have drive mode and the reverse mode and the eco and the power mode.
Okay.
So there is no clutch needed. and the gear like we have altered, and it's under patenting now. Like
And finally, how many years of warranty you going to provide for the customer?
3 years of warranty like we are giving for a customer. The end users like we are giving 3 years of warranty, including complete kit, including the battery.
So that's the complete details about HAK EV. They are doing retrofitting for, especially for the Maruti, especially for the Suzuki Swift Desire, because it is best-selling car right now in India. And for the conversion process, customer need to pay 4 lakh rupees. For that, you will get 100 kilometers of range, and they are also claiming you can get that in 80 to 100 kph also. You will get that range. That is something we need to wait and watch. How come?
And one more thing, like I just forgot to mention. Okay, so this battery pack which we have there, no, battery pack for the accessories is different for us, and the battery pack which drive, that is different.
Okay, you are using a lead acid battery for lighting.
No, not the lead acid. Like it's a LFP battery only. Like we are using. Like we are using 2 separate BMS.
So primary battery for the range and secondary battery for the accessory.
That is the like how like we are exactly claiming on the range.
And 3 years of warranty they are providing on this battery pack. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. And for fast updates, please to follow Facebook page, website and Telegram.
Go green, go electric.